Hello artists and welcome to virtual art lesson number 6 for quarter 3. This one is for kindergarten through 1st grade and of course with myself, Mrs. Torres. Alright guys, let's get started. We're going to talk about what we're doing today. So vocabulary. You guys should know patterns, a repeated shape, color, or line used in our artwork. And then I don't think we've gone over this one yet, but let's talk about lines. So simply put, a line is a dot that went for a walk. So if you just want to think about a line, it's just a dot that's stretched out and you can do all sorts of shapes. We're going to talk a little bit more about that once we get to the drawing aspect. What we're going to be thinking about today, guys, is how to draw a mitten. So, what are our learning objectives? I can create a mitten with color and a line pattern. Oops, typo there, sorry guys. And I can describe the names of the lines on my mitten. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the steps to create a mitten, and you'll see that I have a little guide for you guys to see different types of lines as well. Okay guys, so what you're going to need today is you're going to need a pencil and your hand and a couple of different supplies to color with. It's really up to you if you want to use crayons, markers, color pencils, even paint. Your choice, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take your hand, keep it together, and place it down on the paper like so, because we are going to create a mitten. To do that, we're going to kind of use our hand as a guide. Now please be sure that when you draw the mitten, your hand fits into it. See? Simple. I'm going to take that and we're going to close it. Once you close the mitten, I want you to add a rectangle, a nice long rectangle at the very bottom. And we're going to do a couple lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now it's going to be up to you at this point. You're going to choose, you're going to look at the example. I also post this on the lesson, different types of lines. There's like a little over 6 of them, different kinds. Pick 2 types of lines and you're going to make a line pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that. I'm going to pick, I'm going to make a zigzag line and a cloud line. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. Okay, so make sure after you've done drawing with your pencil, you grab either a Sharpie or a black color crayon or black color pencil, something nice and dark to trace over your lines so you can see them. This next part, you need to pick 2, 3, or more colors because you're going to create a color pattern. And it's really up to you. I'm going to go with green and pink. Like I said, you can go with more. You could do rainbow or maybe something that looks like fire, but that's your choice. So I'm going to fast forward that.